When you least expect it, the thunder strikes. There's multiple sirens. The low-pitched one which is around at a B pitch on piano, B5 I think. The low-pitched siren which was at a pitch of B for on the piano is the main siren. There's also a higher pitched siren. Let me figure the pitch. Last time there was only the siren which sounded in the pitch of B. Now there's this additional siren. My brain isn't working well right now, so I'll post the other sirens in the description. This is the unofficial take. Pictures will be coming later.